An amazing smartphone that sells for less than...
You guys are so incredible. Yes.
Because I was so frustrated with the other banks with their apps kasi may aircon ka sa bibig. So it has two modes. Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do a bunch of things. We're going to check out a really amazing face mask that also has a built-in fan, similar to one I had boxed earlier that was 12,000 pesos, but this one is just 3,000 something pesos. And then we're going to check out an amazing smartphone that sells for less than 5,000 pesos. This is the Realme C11. If you are looking for a budget-friendly phone, sabihin natin pang online schooling ninyo or para sa mga friends ninyo tapos gusto nyo lang magregalo ng smartphone na hindi ganun kamahal. Oh, galante nyo, nangregalo kayo ng smartphone. But anyway, if you're looking for a really affordable phone below 5,000 pesos, you might want to check this out. And lastly, I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Pupunta akong bangko dahil nagtatayo ako ng bagong kumpanya. O di pa panalo? Let's go! Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We do constant giveaways. In fact, idodraw ko na yung winner ng Starbucks Undefeated Water Tumbler and Cold Glass this Saturday. So, it's Thursday when I'm publishing this, so it's 2 days away. So, make sure that you're subscribed, follow me on Instagram, and then click the link in the description box. Panoodin yung video na yun for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck! This is the Realme C11. This one sells for less than 5,000 pesos, I think 4,990. And if you buy it today, when it goes live on Shopee at around 6 o'clock, it will even have like a 400 or 500 peso discount. So you can get it for around 4,500. What's in the phone? In terms of specs, the two things that you need to know, it has a Helio G35 processor, which is okay for gaming, and it also has a 5,000 milliampere battery or millihour, whatever. Basta, sobrang laki ng baterya niya. At the same time, it has a gorgeous 6.5-inch display. So, pang entry level talaga siya. Malaki yung display, pwede pang panood ng videos. It's good for browsing, it's good for social media. And during your downtime, if you want to pass time, you can play Mobile Legends, NBA 2K20, or whatever game it is that you want to get into. Very quick unboxing. Comes in your typical yellow Realme box. If you pop it open, wala na yung telepono. Bakit? Kasi ginagamit ko siya. But by the way, quick note, it doesn't come with the free case. It doesn't have free earphones, but it does have a USB-C and a charging brick. So this is the Realme C11, and as you guys can see, the back, just like with any Realme phone, has a particular pattern or design. This one apparently is called the geometric design. So you have this stripe over here, and then you have the Realme brand at the lower, I think it's the lower left-hand corner. You have the dual camera, AI camera over here at the back, which takes decent photos. I'll show you some sample photos right now. So this one is a shot outside of my balcony. If good lighting, maganda yung picture. Decente yung picture. As you can see, the colors are there, the dynamic range is okay. Pero pag nag-zoom ka, nagiging noisy na, nagiging pixelated na, which is expected of a phone that's below 5,000 pesos. If you take shots of closer subjects, again, the cardinal rule is, pag okay yung lighting, medyo okay siya. Pag pangit yung lighting, but wag na tayong mag-angal kasi it is less than 5,000. The same can be said for the selfie camera. It works, it's okay if the lighting is good. But again, the moment you hit mid to not so good lighting, it kind of falters. But again, guys, please do take note. This is a phone that's meant, sabihin natin, for other things apart for primarily photography. Kamusta naman yung processor? So the processor it has is the Helio G35, which according to several websites that I've seen, is faster than the Helio G25, which is used by other smartphones in this price category. So maraming telepono below 5,000 ang gamit Helio G25. Ito ang gamit niya, Helio G35, which should be a little bit faster. So kung mahilig kayo mag-games, so wala kayo masyadong budget para sa telepono, or marami kayong planong gawin with the phone, such as apps for online schooling or learning, then this should work. Again, compared with the 5,000 milliampere battery and the gorgeous, massive 6.5-inch display, this should be able to serve your needs. Especially, again, ang galing, no? Price point. Less than 5,000. Panalo, guys. If you want to buy the Realme C11, the link can be found down below sa Shopee. Again, it goes live, I think, at 6 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. The moment this video goes up on my channel, you should be able to buy this one as well on Shopee. Link down below. At this part of the vlog, I'll be heading out to go drop by the bank to set up the corporation that I'm working on. I'll tell you more about that in a while. But for now, I just want to do another quick mask review. So this one is the ProLabs Alexis, I think, or Alexa. I'll put the link down below on where you guys can buy it. And I was super happy with this kasi pinersonalize nila. Kita nyo? Nakasulat CSO. Those are actually my initials. That's Carlo San Juan Ople. I super appreciate the effort to everybody at ProLabs. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you. I appreciate it. Now, the great thing about this mask is three things. Number one, may double filter thing siya going on, or double mask. You have this exterior like neoprene thing, and then you have an actual mask material over here. So, doble yung protection. Apart from that, it also has a filter that you put inside this particular mechanism. And that filter makes sure that whatever bad elements that go in are filtered. So that clean air lang yung hinihinga ninyo. Now, another awesome thing about this one is that it actually has a fan. So literally, just like the other mask that I showed you guys, yung Philips na nasa 12,000 pesos, this does the same thing but at a much cheaper price. So this one sells for a little over 3,500 yata. Again, if you want to buy one, the link can be found down below to ProLabs. And how it works is that it has a Velcro strap at the back. You do it like this, over your ears. You do the Velcro. And then if you want to turn on the mask, all you have to do is press here. It will light up. And yeah, may nararamdaman na akong hangin. So it's literally as if may aircon ka sa bibig. So it has two modes. You have normal air. Press another time, you have more air. So the more air is for functionality. Sabihin natin you need more oxygen if you're working out. If you're more active, you can go for this mode. If you want it lighter, tap once, mas konting air. Turn it off, hard long press, mawawala yung ilaw, panalo. Diba? So again, if you are looking for a mask like this that has better breathability and a filter, ProLabs. My only concern again is that you might be stopped from entering hospitals who ban masks with vents. So just take note of that before you invest in this one. By the way, tip to all the businesses out there, if you want to make sure that influencers or creators feature your product, one good tip I can give you is to personalize. Kasi pag personalize siya, sobrang nakakatuwa and ang sarap i-post at i-share. Kunyari, ito, panalo eh. Talaga linagyan nila initial CSO. I mean, thank you, ProLabs. Appreciate it. Okay, so we've unboxed a great entry-level smartphone, great for homeschooling. We've checked out a new mask that's 3,000 something pesos that puts an aircon on your mouth. And then at this point, I'll bring you guys along with me. I will get ready and we will head on over to the bank to fix my incorporation papers for the business that I'm working on. So itong negosyo na to, pag-uusapan natin sa loob ng kotse habang papunta sa bangko. So we're here at Security Bank. So it's the new bank that I decided to put my money in, primarily because I was so frustrated with the other banks with their apps. Kasi yung apps talaga nila ayaw gumana. So I decided to put up a new account, both personal and for business. So I think to those who are in banks and you're watching this, it just goes to show the importance of the mobile app when it comes to the overall customer experience. Now, if you want to open your own account in Security Bank, dito sponsored by the way, I just really like their service and their app now has InstaPay. You can drop by their branch over at Arnais. Hanapin nyo si Heinrich. Ilalagay ko yung pangalan niya sa baba. Super cool dude, super galing na branch manager. So hanapin nyo na lang siya if you guys want to move your accounts and deposit. So at this point in the vlog, balik na kami sa bahay and I'll see if there's anything else to unbox and then we'll end the vlog there. By the way, again, this mask is from Banale. It's an Italian brand. They made this mask. Customized siya for me. Hanapin nyo na lang sa Lazada. Link can be found down below. Okay, so we're back here in the condo and before anything, my wife will say hi.
Hi!
Yun, na-miss niyo ba siya? Palagi ko siya nakikita sa mga last few vlogs eh. Dami nagre-request sa'yo, babe. Ano gusto mo? Teka. Ano gusto mo sabihin sa mga fans mo?
You guys are so incredible. Yes, Char.
Wushu!
And then, sobrang thankful ko lang talaga ang welcoming nung community. So, hi guys! Once in a while, susulpot-sulpot.
Oh, ano, di ba? So, si Mrs. So, anyway, a few more things before we wrap up today's episode. I just want to share that this particular phone, the Realme C11 that we unboxed and did the feature on, now usually when brands send me phones, they let me keep it. That's why I raffle it away for you guys. But this time around, Realme is actually going to get this phone back, not because kuripot sila, but mainly because they're actually going to donate all of the review phones to the Young Focus Foundation, which provides smartphones to kids who need devices for online schooling and online learning. O, di ba, panalo? So, good job, Realme, on that one. Sobrang good cause yan. So, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. It was a bit short, pero I hope you found it educational and informative at the same time. So, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.